In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channel under one account. So if you're out there and you're thinking of having more than one YouTube channel, it's possible and very easy. You can do it yourself. All you need to do is to watch this video up to the end, because at the end of it, I'll share with you the pros and cons of having a multiple YouTube channel under one account. So guys, let's get started. Now on my screen here, this is my main YouTube channel, and I have other channels. So when I click on my profile in the top right hand corner of your screen, then click on switch account, you will see other accounts I'm talking about. You can add a more YouTube channel on this list. So and this is how you can do it in case you want to create a multiple YouTube channels. So step number one, you need to sign into your YouTube account. Then once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of your screen. Then on this menu, come down here and click on settings. On your settings page under account, come down here. We have three options. Now you need to click on add or manage your YouTube channels. Then next, under your channels, if you already have more than one YouTube channel, it'll be listed down here just like mine, right? Next, you need to click on create a channel right here. Then next here, you can go ahead and give your new channel a name. You can write any name that relates to the content you'll be posting to that channel. Now after that, just go down here and check this box right here, then click on create button down here. New channel will be created. Now you can go ahead and add a description to your new channel, a profile picture and channel banner, right? Every time you create a new channel, automatically you'll be switched to that channel. So if you click if I click on my channel, my profile here, you will see my new channel has been added to this list. So you can repeat the same process if you want to add more and more channels as you want, and that's how you can create a multiple YouTube channel under one account. Now if you're wondering or asking yourself if it's good to have a multiple YouTube channel under one Google account, so I will share with you the pros and cons of having a multiple YouTube channel under one account. So let's start with the pros of having a multiple YouTube channel. So pro number one is another stream of revenue. Each channel you create, if you meet the minimum requirement for monetization, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll be able to apply for monetization, and when you accepted in YouTube partner program, you'll be able to make money through ads that will be displayed on your videos. Pro number two, having a multiple YouTube channel gives you the chance to categorize your ideas. So each channel you open will usually have different topics, right? So you'll not be able to mix a different content idea in one YouTube channel, right? So you'll have freedom to talk about the right topic on the right YouTube channel you have created. Now, pro number three, having multiple channel will give you the chance to reach many people. Now after looking at that, we also have disadvantages of having a multiple YouTube channel under one account, and that will take us to the last part of this video, where we'll be talking about a cons of having a multiple YouTube channel. The very first con is anytime you make a mistake that leads to one channel being terminated, I will guarantee you will use all other channels to be having on that account. Because when one channel makes a mistake that leads to termination, that Google account will be banned. Secondly, having multiple channels will give you a lot of work. You will be overloaded with a lot of work of creating content on different channels, right? Which will be a lot of work for you as a content creator. Thirdly, if you have multiple channels, you will need to open several social media accounts so that you can manage those different channels you have created, which will not be easy for you unless you have a team that can help you to do that. So guys, I've shown you how to create a multiple YouTube channel and the advantages, disadvantages of having a multiple channels. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like it, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section, right? So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.